I have a filter on kasi sobrang haggard ko. But yeah, I just gave birth and it wasn't the date that we were expecting. But here we are. And it's super hard kasi inuubo ako. Love, say hi. She looks like Caleb, but girl version. Ayan na. Baka nilamig lang. Paiyak na siya. Yeah. I haven't been able to vlog that much because I had so much pain from coughing. But I took some meds and I feel kind of better today. That's not Eloise crying. Siya na po. Shit. Pinapanood nila vlog. Hi!
A picture together with Eloise. There.
Doon ka kay... Eh, upo ka dito.
Sit down there.
Naalalayan ni Lola. Para hindi kasama si Lola.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Ay. Okay.
Okay na?
Is it heavy or no? Very light like baby Caleb? Heavy.
Opo. Hindi na po. Oh, it's okay. Sabi ni Kuya, oh.
Eloise loves Kuya Caleb. Ay, di ba ano Caleb, pwede mong ising ano yung don't let me go. Ganun.
Kantayin na natin. Ha?
Pupo yan.
Baka napupo.
Check natin. Pupo.
Pangatlo na to. Kukumpile ko yung videos mo.
Pangatlo na to, kakumpal ko
Una, kasama namin ang local. Pangalawa kami. Ito, pangatlo na.
Love. Watching.
Kami na lang po, tagalin na. Yan, pasok yung
Panimpose.
mga kalat.
Wow! Ganda naman ang pose ni Eloise, oh. Anong tawag dyan sa pose na yan?
Ano yan? Pakipasok nyo na po.
Kung Fu
Kasi hindi
pose.
magandang tingnan. Kayo lang po yung nandito
Kung
sa
Fu
kalsada. Na
pose.
puro kalat po.
Sinoksin. Ay, sus. Sinisinok pa rin.
Yes. There's a bully. Get out. And we will learn how to fight together, okay?
What's your message to baby Eloise? So cute.